Students, this is to help you finish up your lab, Penny for Your Thoughts lab that you guys worked on in class. Now it's time for you to go ahead and finish since you've done your data. And by the way, in your data here, make sure that you have the dates of all of your people. Make sure the volume here is listed as well as the units for each of those here. The masses, again with units. Here you're putting in your errors. These are errors. Under the specific errors, these are errors that could affect your data. Mistakes, you can just number them off. You can do a numbered list like 1 and so on. Your first error. My partners and I forgot to take the masses correctly. We accidentally didn't zero the balance. Something like that. Okay. The conclusion. This is normally what you do last. Do this last. This is the answer to the problem or purpose that you wrote. Can't spell purpose at the beginning of the lab. So there was a question that you actually wrote there. This is where when you're all done, you answer that question, or in your case, 2 questions. Down here on the calculations, you're going to calculate the density of the pennies. Remember, don't forget to write the formula. Then show your plugging in. Then show your solving. And your answer with units. That's how you get your full points on all of your calculations. Make sure you do formula, plug in, solve, and your answer with units. For all 3, results table. The results table is the results from your calculations. It is not a data table. It shows the results from your calculations. Okay, so go ahead and put in your densities here, your grams over milliliters, and then you answer the 3 questions. Make sure you answer these in complete sentences. Okay, answer them in complete sentences. All 3 of these, and be detailed, and if it says explain, explain. All right? Good luck finishing it up, and then get it turned in the basket.